May I have your permission to close the special investiture ceremony? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the formal proceedings of the special investiture ceremony are now over. We shall proceed for the state banquet in honor of His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Malaysia.
नाज़रीन, ऐवान सदर में मलेशिया के वज़ीराअज़म दातुस्सर अनवर इब्राहिम को निशान पाकिस्तान का एजाज़ देने की खुसूसी तक़रीब का इनेकाद किया गया। सदर मुमलिकत आसिफ अली ज़रदारी
से हुआ है कि उनके ड्रोन जो हैं वो तल अवीव में उनके धमाके हुए हैं और उससे नुकसान भी हुआ है। अच्छा, अब इसराइल तो दावा करता रहे
is a statesman and scholar of great standing and global recognition. Not only has he delved deep into Islamic thought and philosophy, but has also applied his profound understanding of Islam to promote social justice and inclusivity in Malaysia and beyond. A believer in Islamic democracy, His Excellency Dato Seri Anwar Ibrahim entered the realm of politics during his university days, following which he was elected as a Member of Parliament in 1982 and joined the government of Prime Minister محمد as Deputy Minister. Over the years, he has remained Minister for Culture, Youth and Sports, Minister for Agriculture, Minister for Education, Minister for Finance, and Deputy Prime Minister. As Minister for Finance, his contribution to the rapid economic growth and prosperity of Malaysia is widely acclaimed, not just in Malaysia, but all around the world. Prime Minister Dato Seri Anwar Ibrahim is a true friend of Pakistan. He has been coming to Pakistan since his student days and has also visited as minister on several occasions. His Excellency is an avid reader of Allama Muhammad Iqbal. He has enunciated many a time that Allama Iqbal's works are a source of strength and inspiration for him and have contributed to the development of his vision and values. Prime Minister Dato Seri Anwar Ibrahim has been a solid proponent of humanitarian causes and Islamic values throughout his career. His leadership is signified by an unwavering commitment to promote social justice and address global issues that affect the Muslim world. He is a strong and undeterred voice for self-determination and freedom against oppressors across the world. His Excellency Dato Seri Anwar Ibrahim continues to work with a firm resolve to counter Islamophobia, striving to create interfaith harmony by fostering tolerance, understanding, and mutual respect amongst different cultures and religions. His ethos reflects his vision for a more equitable world where religious and cultural diversity are embraced, cherished, and upheld. In recognition of his services as a world leader, a global representative of the Ummah, and a long-standing, loved, and respected leader of his country, the President, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, has been pleased to confer upon His Excellency Dato Seri Anwar Ibrahim the highest award of Nishan-e-Pakistan. I now request His Excellency Dato Seri Anwar Ibrahim to please step forward. Mr. President, may I request you to decorate the award of Nishan-e-Pakistan upon His Excellency. I would also request the Prime Minister to grace the conferment. ceremony. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the formal proceedings of the special investiture ceremony are now over. We shall proceed for the state banquet in honor of His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Malaysia.
नाज़रीन, ऐवान सदर में मलेशिया के वज़ीर-ए-आज़म दातिउस-ज़र अनवर इब्राहिम को निशान पाकिस्तान का एजाज़ देने की खुसूसी तकरीब का इनेकाद किया गया। सदर मुमलिकत आसिफ अली ज़रदारी ने मलेशिया के वज़ीर-ए-आज़म को निशान पाकिस्तान दिया। तकरीब के आगाज़ में दोनों मुल्कों के कौमी तराने भी बजाए गए। ये अब से कुछ देर कबल के मनाजिर हैं जो अपनी टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर मुलाहिज़ा कर रहे हैं। सदर पाकिस्तान ने मलेशिया के वज़ीर-ए-आज़म को निशान पाकिस्तान से नवाजा। तकरीब के आगाज़ में दोनों मुल्कों के कौमी तराने भी बजाए गए। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ भी इस तकरीब में मौजूद हैं। सदर आसिफ अली ज़रदारी ने मलेशिया के वज़ीर-ए-आज़म को निशान पाकिस्तान दिया। खुसूसी तकरीब का इनेकाद किया गया ऐवान सदर में, और इस तकरीब में वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ भी शरीक हुए। ये थी